Myself, Jitendra Panchal, working for CDSL as a Vice President IT. Okay, right now all CIOs are facing about the data privacy and the ransomware attack. So these are the two major topics. Like each CIO or a CTO are struggling to how to protect our organization in that particular aspect. To all the CIOs or the CTOs, the thing is that the involvement from, I would say, from the management side is very much essential in terms of protecting our data. And the best part is that the backup is the only solution that I felt to overcome the ransomware attack. So whatever the security solutions that are there, maybe good, bad, whatever it may be, based on your organization, you have to adapt that technology, adapt the solution, and ensure that that is full-fledged, implemented in a proper way, in a proper aspect, so that you can take the entire benefit of the solution, what you have procured and what you have implemented, and ensure that the policies or whatever group policies or policies that you create, ensure that it is running fine. Apart from that, backup is most essential part of it, and you have to take the backup in whatever best way that you can. Okay, for 2023-24, I say data protection, your infrastructure, cloud is inevitable, but the thing is that it is not a race that we wanted to go everyone onto cloud. Based on your environment, based on your business, you need to think about it, you need to evaluate that kind of a solution, and then consider what is the best solution for your organization so that you can manage the show. Because everyone is facing the people issue, skill set issue. So you need to understand what solution that you are going to implement and how you are going to manage the show. That is most critical part of it. See, AI, ML or IoT, based on industry to industry, it keeps on varying the kind of an adoption. But the thing is that we people do use AI, ML in terms of various other forms of a solution that we people are having it right now. The only thing is that the advancement that will come up in the future, and we need to adapt that kind of a change. So I would say upgrading ourselves, or I would say skill learning, which is very much essential for each and everyone. So it's basically a learning for each and everyone to keep on learning the new skills, unlearn the old one, learn the new things. That is what I would say life cycle is going to be. So like a priority, I would say protect your infrastructure. The first and primost, I would say, everything is resides onto your infrastructure. So you have to protect your infrastructure in the best possible way that you can have. Have a backup as much as, I would say, the best backup solution that you can implement, and the policies what you are going to have it for the backup, so that in any particular moment, if you come across like to recover or restore the solution, you should be able to do that. So think about those kind of a solution. Adopt security solution, no doubt about it, but consider the solution which is best suited in your organization. It is not that like for some industry that may be good, but for your industry, whether it is suitable or not, you need to evaluate. Okay, don't look at the market like what people are doing it, or it is not a race, or it is not a competition amongst the CIO or the CTO. It is like each individual have to take the ownership and deploy the solution to help the organization to sustain and to progress. Because ultimately the IT is the backbone for any organization, and have to be strong enough to lead the business. I'll repeat the same thing, like it's basically protecting the infrastructure, taking the backup, proper security solutions, proper review of, I would say, users access control mechanism, then if possible expand it in a protected way, so that adoption of the solution, having the skilled resources is again a challenge for everyone. So get your people trained for the various technologies, whatever that you want to go for it. Train those people and retain those people's skill set, because which is very, very crucial. You may get a solution, you won't get a skilled people. So think about that. The resource is very, very crucial right now at this particular stage. So there are various technology solutions that we adopted, and like with a conscious decision, whatever that we have taken up, yes, it is. We proudly said yes, it's a right solution, and it is right working for at least for my organization as of now.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.